Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Audi A6 screen. Start by disconnecting the battery and locating the screen module behind the dash. Use basic tools and a gentle trim removal technique to avoid damage. Check connectors for corrosion and secure loose cables before reassembling the trim and testing the display. If the screen stays dark, try swapping the fuse and inspecting the display backlight connector for continuity. If unsure, consult a service. Begin diagnostics with a visual inspection of the screen and surrounding trim. Remove trim carefully to expose the connectors and check for loose pins or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test power at the connector and verify fuses in the fuse box. Note any error codes in the MMI system and restart the car between tests. Document findings and take photos to ensure proper reassembly and to aid further troubleshooting. Start repairs by securing the battery and removing necessary trim pieces to reach the screen. Replace damaged connectors or reflow solder joints on controller boards when comfortable performing electronics work. Swap the display unit with a known good screen to isolate the fault and replace fuses as needed. Reconnect everything, test the MMI, and confirm touchscreen responsiveness. If problems persist, consider software resets through the MMI or professional diagnostic support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.